Hi Libra, welcome to Omkara Tarot and finally to your love readings. So Libra, unlike the other readings that I do of you and yours, which could be you and anyone else affecting your energy, around you, these readings are specifically for you and your love interest. So is there someone new coming across, or are you dealing with an old love interest? We're going to find out right now. So let's not waste any time and get right in. Ooh, this card just wanted to flip out. Somebody wants to apologize to someone? Let's not take it right now. Let's put it back because we haven't really begun, right? So, but yeah, this one really wanted to. And here we begin. So, Libra, Libra, Libra. Let's see what your love life has in store for you this month, at least for the first half of this month. So this is, one side is you, one side is your partner, but feel free to switch the energies the way you like. A lot of stagnancy happening right now, Libra. Had a fight with someone, it seems. Things have come to a standstill. Somebody's maybe wanting to apologize for something wrong done. See, I have the 9 of Cups in reverse here. For one person, and the seven of cups for the other person in the past. Okay, got it. Let me just open the cards first and we'll begin. Okay, Libra. So I see, from what I feel right now, this is probably your side, okay? But of course, you feel free to switch the energies if you feel you resonate more on the other side. So for this reading, I'm going to call this side Libra. From what I see from your partner's side, Libra, in the past, they were a bit unhappy, okay? This was a wonderful person who was, full of great ideas, who was a go-getter. They had a lot of plans. Everybody looked up to them. They were probably, the light of your life. But they seemed really unhappy in the past. Why was that? I've got the same card for both sides now. Okay, so they were a bit confused in the past, okay? They were confused because one or both of you probably had a lot of options surrounding this relationship. Because on your side also, see, I have the 7 of Cups and I have the 7 of Cups on their end as well. So they were a bit, but I see this 7 of Cups as two different energies, okay? For them, it seems they were a bit confused. There are lots of, ideas floating in their mind, and none of them was really making them happy. And they're not figuring out how to move ahead, as the Queen of Wands to achieve their wish fulfillment, which was probably you, okay? Why was that, Libra? Because I think you were pretty confused yourself. Or now, in your case, it's possible that you had a lot of options. So let's see why you had the 7 of Cups. Why did Libra have the 7 of Cups in their past position, Spirit? You did like them a lot. I mean, they come across as, yeah. You were you had a lot of options, Libra, and you were unable to, maybe reveal the emotions you felt. You were keeping your emotions tightly shut, okay? You were confusing the other person. You were totally confusing the other person because you were unable to speak your heart, not your mind. Librans have the sword of truth normally. Excuse me. Every time I've tried to do the Libra reading, I've been choking like this. So I think you guys are not even talking to each other right now. And even in the past, I see you were unable to, reveal anything to your partner. You were keeping your emotions totally in check, and either you were confused or you were confusing them, or maybe there were lots of options that either of you had, because you were, from what I feel right now, you were confusing them, and yes, they were heavily confused. They were heavily confused with this relationship. They didn't know whether to feel happy or not, and that led to the stagnation. Okay, it put both of you in a hanged man situation where things were just not moving. Libra, you were not wanting to make a decision, okay, in the past, because maybe you felt that if I reveal my, emotions to this person, I may be forced to make a decision of some kind. And I don't think you were in a place, or both of you were in a place where any solid commitment was on the table, okay. And you felt that if I reveal my, true feelings to this person, I may have to here I go again. Just blockage, throat chakra. So you were not showing them, telling them how you really felt, because you felt the minute I do, I may have to commit to this person. And this other person, even though they were very happy with you and they were comfortable in your presence and with your company and whatever, they understood this confusion and they felt it too, because they didn't know whether they were on or off with you. So let's check out this Hierophant in reverse for both of you. What was going on here? This really brought a lot of, this brought a lot of stagnation to the stability of your relationship. This confusing the other person, or being confused, or maybe, too many options, keeping your emotions hidden. All this brought a lot of stagnation to this relationship. And like I said, bottom of the deck, oh God, what's happening to me? I was perfectly fine. This brought total stagnation to this relationship in the past. So now, how are you both feeling now after all this drama has been done? One person, closed off, and the other person confused, and people not revealing their emotions to each other, and this relationship now is on rocky path. So how this was in the past. How are you guys feeling now? I see your person feeling a bit, dimmed of their light, because they are not that happy now anymore. Maybe because things came to a standstill, and they, in their heart and mind, they feel that, okay, the sun has gone down now of this relationship, and I don't think there's any chance for a rebirth. I don't think there's any going back to this. So why is your partner feeling this way, Libra? Oh my God, the sun is clarified by the sun in reverse. Okay, so they are feeling very disappointed at the moment, Libra. Whatever happened in the past, your person right now, as I'm doing the reading, is in a very disappointed state of mind. And how do you feel? You have the Six of Cups, but that's also in reverse. So you are also somewhere feeling, there is maybe no going back to the past. Yes, because someone in this dynamic was probably a player, okay, and these actions probably left this relationship in a very rocky place, and you were also feeling that because of whatever happened and whatever actions were done, there is probably no going back now to the past. But heart of hearts, Libra, you are the most romantic sun sign I know. You really do want to take this offer to them. Okay, you are now thinking, how is it that I can go back to the past? What can I do to rectify things which can, make things okay? And you're actually thinking maybe of now getting over all that confusion, or if you were a player, or had player ways, you're thinking of dropping that and maybe taking an offer of love to this person. I'm very intrigued, so I'm going to take one more card for your side. Why is Libra feeling like that? Yes, because you realize that this person, your person, was your wish fulfillment, and you are feeling maybe you've lost it. Okay, whatever your biggest wish was for romance or love was this person, and maybe with this action of not giving, or treating them like a second, third option or something, has this person has moved away from your life, and that's made you realize that your wishes, this was your wish, and you're afraid that you're going to lose it altogether. What is your person now doing in the month of June? In the month of June, they seem to be letting go of all this burden. Okay, so what is this burden they're getting rid of? Is it the fight that you both had, or are they getting over you? They are definitely, letting down whatever was burdening them. Yes, they're getting over this pain of the fight that you people had. Okay, so one of you tried to play the other person, I think, in the past, like we've seen. One person was trying to be one up on the other person, or betray the other person, or, make the other person feel bad, win at all cost, trying to be, yeah, one up on the other. So they felt really bad about it, and in the month of June, I see them now getting over this pain, but it's still not really clear as to what they're getting rid of. They want to start a brand new cycle. Okay, they are, I think, getting over all this pain and hurt that they've been through, and they've realized that let the past be in the past, and let's just start a new, new cycle altogether. Wheel of Fortune, and maybe they are bringing you an apology or a small offering of love, or are they expecting it? Let's have one more card for your person. No, they are the ones who are sad, okay? They are the ones who are sad, and I think if you've taken them this cup, like I saw here, if you have taken them, this cup, they are still kind of in their head about whatever was lost. Okay, they are still a little bothered by that. They're still reminiscing on whatever happened in the past, but I think they're struggling to come out of it right now, and they're trying very hard to leave the past in the past and maybe drop this burden. It's still not clear, Libra, whether they are dropping you or they're dropping the pain and the hurt of the past. But we'll continue and we'll see how it goes. How are you feeling? How are you feeling in the month of June? In the month of June, I see you as the 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay? So you've been feeling as if you've lost, whatever hope of stability there was in your life. You feel nothing is balanced at the moment. Even Temperance is in reverse right now. You're feeling, there was so much potential of having a long-term relationship, of having everything that a person can ever want. 10 of Pentacles upright is having it all. Okay, having the money and the love and the family and the kids and everything, whatever a human life could want for a happy life. And right now I see you in the month of June feeling a bit disappointed and feeling that nothing is really coming into balance, not the way you would have liked it, or not that fast. You really do want to take charge, okay? You want control of the situation. You want your power back in this relationship. You want to bring this control back, whatever was missing or whatever went wrong, you want to put it right. But Libra, as much as you're trying to do that, I do have the Emperor again, okay, in the outcome, but that's in reverse. So I don't think that you're pushing it or forcing it is going to happen. Okay, I see this other person still feeling a bit sad. I see this other person still wondering whether they should keep in mind what's happened in the past, or should they drop this feeling of sadness or not. They aren't, I think, accepting your little apology, but I don't think they're going to let it go that easy. Whereas you, I think, wanted to happen now. You want total control over the situation, and you want to put everything back into balance now. But you'll have to temper that impulsive side of you in the month of June. So let's have a card for the Emperor in reverse. Emperor in reverse, okay. So Spirit is saying that instead of controlling the situation in June, try and bring a little bit of friendship back into the equation first. Okay? Try and bring a bit of light-hearted energy. Instead of forcing everything to magically disappear, all the pain to just boom, go into the past and start something new and say, hey, listen, I'm back and let's just get on with it, kind of a thing. Spirit is saying that don't come in with your Emperor mode. Okay, just come to this other person with a little, small offers of love, and also not just love, but friendship. I think what will really solidify this relationship will be if you start from scratch and try and build their trust. Let's have one more card for the outcome. Page of Wands in reverse. So are you still not going to have the guts to come to them? I have to take a clarifier for that. Why is the Page of Wands in reverse, Spirit? I think now you both are going to let the stress and tension down. I don't think you're going to start off with a passionate new beginning as it was before, okay? So it's really going to be tempered down a bit, okay? There's not going to be any fast movement. You both are going to, I think, first become friends now and try and win the other person up again. And maybe all this stress and worry, you're going to start to see one by one going from your life. This is in the mutual energy, so I genuinely see it's a matter of becoming friends first and not keeping your emperor self up. Yes, you people, you still have a little fight left in you. This was a relationship which almost finished, okay? But I see you in the month of June, both of you, giving it your last shot, okay? You're both trying to give it a last shot to see. Both are bandaged, see the head? It's got a bandage on his head. There's been a lot of maybe War of the Roses that's been going on in this relationship. Both are battered, bruised, and tired. Both are really tired now. And instead of kind of being controlling now and saying, my way or the highway, I think both are coming to a place where, hey, let's just get the tension off and let's start from where we started as being good friends now. And maybe that may lead to, this relationship reviving. Walk away from this. Whatever happened in the past, I think this is in the mutual energy. So either you people are going to decide to walk away from it completely. Okay? If you come in too strong, Libra, I think this may come to an end. Okay, both of you are going to probably walk away. The only way Spirit is saying that you can walk away together, okay, walk away together and release this pain that you both have been feeling, is to bring in some kind of happiness, some kind of friendship into the equation. And please do not, try and be this emperor. That's why the emperor is in reverse right now. You really want to be the emperor again. But Libra, this is your advice for the month of June, for your love life. Please remove this energy. Let this be in reverse, because in the month of June, this is a good thing. Okay? You have to now release any sense of controlling the other person's, don't rush the other person to, forgive you or forget about it or whatever, and try and bring some light-hearted energy into this equation. Okay, be kind, be loving, be fun as you are. Librans are so much fun. Okay, that's the only way you both will be able to, release this tension and be able to walk away from all the pain that has been caused in the past. So let's take an angel blessing card for you. Let's see what the angels can bless you with and your partner. We put this aside. I see my throat chakra is totally shut since I started doing this. So there's been a lot of words exchanged maybe which were not that pleasant. Or you're finding it difficult to now, say something in a nice way. You just want it, maybe you're trying to use force, which is not like I'm trying to use my force right now to talk. So don't do that. Bring some fun into this equation again if you want. Yes, be sweet for a change, Libra. Or if you're the one who's, been the other side, then I'm telling your cross watcher, be nice, be sweet for a change. Don't be harsh with your words, even if your harsh words mean something good. It was like, hey, listen, shut up, I love you. Don't do that. Be nice, be kind, be sweet, and maybe, that's the only way you'll be able to. Let's take one more card for you. Be gentle and sweet, in your, by the way you talk to this person. No? Yes. If you want healing, see, I told you already, this healing is possible, okay? This healing is possible. A lot of healing can come to this relationship now. It only depends on how you people, both of you, are going to communicate with each other. Okay? So be kind and sweet in your words, both of you. You or the cross watcher, whoever's watching the Libra reading, and that is the only way any kind of healing is possible in this relationship. And there is a huge potential for it. Okay? So if you're listening to this reading, please do take this advice. And whenever you approach this person, the person who's very hurt at the moment, just be nice to this person. That's all I can say. And yes, you can have your love back, and all can be well, and the sun can come up again. So chill, take care, love and light.